Salmon Papillote, a fish lover's delight. Like, subscribe, and click the bell. I'm Mika. Ready? Preheat the oven to 400 degrees. Begin by cutting 1/4 of a zucchini into julienne, also julienne 1/4 of a carrot. Then thinly slice 3 Shiitake mushroom caps. Oh, they are so delicious steamed with the salmon. Cut the sprigs of thyme in half for placing on the fish. They are removed when you eat, or you can use only the leaves. Snip the leaves of 5 or 6 sprigs of parsley. Cut the salmon into 2 8-ounce portions. I leave the skin on for extra juicy fish. Place the fillets on 2 pieces of parchment paper as shown, and season with salt and pepper. Scatter the thyme, carrots, zucchini, shiitake, and parsley leaves in a layer on top of the fish. Give the fillets a crack or 2 of pepper. Put the butter on top. To make the pocket, fold the paper over the fish so the ends meet. Then fold following the open ends of the parchment paper. This method remains sealed during cooking. Make the seal tight using the bottom of a bowl, and it will form a horseshoe shape when you are done. I remember the first time I had this dish. It was so yummy, I had to run to make it myself and cook it again and again. Bake in the preheated oven for about 10 to 15 minutes depending on the thickness of the fillets and your preferred doneness. Remove from the oven. You can serve the sealed packets, opening them at the table, or open in the kitchen and serve on the plate as I show here. Be careful though, the steam is very hot. I suggest serving with my delicious quinoa with Gouda and spinach recipe. It's a perfect healthy match. This is so juicy and aromatic. The vegetables are tender with the essence of thyme. One of my favorite fish recipes of all time. Great food, great life. And thanks for watching my video.